Hi friends, welcome to my new video. I will show you how to make portable LED lights with scrap material. This is tube light holder. I am fixing the battery on this holder and it is very easy to change the battery. This magnet is bought from hardware shop for rupees 10, which is used for showcase shutters. I am fixing the magnet. This is a multi-LED light and is available in electronic shop. I'm using the lighter to remove the sleeve because I don't have any wire stripper. This is heat shrink sleeve. The red wire matches to red. If the negative and positive changes, it won't glow. Now I am sticking to that frame. Now my imagined product is ready. At night we can use it without holding the light anywhere. Example: bike, car boot space, bonnet, and steel Almirah. Thank you friends for watching this video. I hope the video will be useful for you. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will come again with new tips.